Welcome everyone to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to download and install the Udemy application. So to begin the process, open the Google Play Store. You can download the Udemy application from Google Play Store in the Android device. If you are using an iOS device, you will need to download it from the App Store. So here on the Google Play Store, tap on the search bar and from there type Udemy and tap on search. It will show you the search result on the very top. Now tap on install and wait for the application to be downloaded. Udemy is a leading destination for online courses that empowers you to grow professionally and personally. You can see the application has been downloaded. Now you tap on open. With that, you have successfully downloaded and installed the Udemy application for your mobile device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.